Hi everyone, my name is Olivia from the Sea Science Center in Manchester, New Hampshire, and today I'm going to show you our countdown rocket. First, let's go over what's in our bag. As always, you will have activity quick instructions so you can follow along at home. And you will have your countdown rocket. First, you can instruct your learner to color your countdown rocket as they want with either colored pencils, crayons, or markers. Then you can start the countdown. So first, you want to have them launch their rocket from Earth. So you want to encourage your learner to count out loud. This is great for early learners learning to count backwards, and it's important in number sequencing. Let's get started. Let's blast off our rocket ship to space. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. You want to encourage your learners to say the numbers out loud. Then, once your rocket is in space, you can do a countdown to get it back down to Earth. Blast off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're back down to Earth. You can extend this activity by having your learner count down other things at home. This could be chores, playing, tidying up, anything to get them used to counting backwards. Counting backwards is important in number sequencing and is also an important step in learning subtraction. Thank you everyone. I hope to see you in the next one.